Hey, this is howtoretail.com, and I'm here to give you an idea of how an ATM can boost revenue in your convenience store, gas station, or any other type of business. By installing an ATM at your business, you can help provide people with easy access to cash. ATMs are a huge addition to a business because they can naturally attract customers. If someone needs cash, they're going to go into your business just to use your ATM. While they're in your business, they could potentially purchase something in addition to using your ATM. On top of that, psychologically speaking, immediately after someone withdraws cash and has the cash in their pocket, they are more likely to spend it right away. These ATM users may decide to buy soda, snack, or even a pack of cigarettes after they withdraw their money. This additional revenue begins to add up over time. Basically, unprompted shopping happens more often after a person adds more money to their wallet. There are many benefits of having an ATM at your business. ATMs effectively increase customer traffic, and they give your business extra revenue from ATM transaction fees. You can also build customer loyalty from having an ATM operating at your store. If your business has everything a customer needs, they are more likely to come to your business regularly. Your customer won't have to go to another business to use their ATM and potentially spend their money at that other business. In addition, there are higher rates of on-premise spending by customers using your ATM. According to a recent 7-Eleven study, ATM customers spend 25% more than regular customers. An average ATM will get about 10 transactions a day. So if each person who comes in to use the ATM just spends a couple extra dollars at your store, it can really start to add up over time. The primary source of revenue you receive from operating an ATM at your business is the transaction fee. Unfortunately, you do not receive 100% of the transaction fee your ATM charges. The credit card processor will take on average 20 cents per transaction. The average surcharge for ATMs in the United States is about $2.50. If you include the credit card processing fee, insurance for your ATM, cost of supplies such as receipt paper, and cost of repairs down the road, the average price you will lose per transaction is about 50 cents, leaving you with about $2 profit per transaction. An average ATM will get about 10 transactions a day, meaning on average, per day, your retail store will make an extra $20 from your ATM. This comes out to be $140 a week, $560 a month, and $6,720 per year passively from just having the ATM on your premises. You're also making additional money from other factors, such as increased on-premise spending for these ATM users and more loyal, regular customers coming into your business often. When buying an ATM, you have a few options. You can buy a new ATM, a used ATM, or you can lease an ATM. Generally, a new ATM will cost on average between $2,000 and $3,000. The benefit of a new ATM over a used ATM is that a new ATM will come with a 1 to 2 year warranty depending on the manufacturer. Used ATMs generally cost on average between $500 and $750. The downside of purchasing a used ATM is that the average lifespan of an ATM is about 7 years, meaning if you buy an ATM that is 5 years old, it will only have a few good years left. Generally, leasing an ATM will cost about $50 to $100 a month. If you're in a high traffic area, the vendor might waive the monthly fee and just take a piece of every transaction fee charged. I don't recommend ever leasing an ATM because most vendors will have you sign at least a 1 year commitment. If you don't want to buy a new ATM right away, I would recommend buying a used ATM, operating for a few years, and if you're happy with the revenue generated, you could upgrade to a new ATM. A common question new ATM owners have is how much money should they fill their ATM with? The average amount withdrawn from an ATM is $60. If 10 people are using your ATM a day, that means $600 is getting withdrawn on average per day. It basically all depends on how often you want to fill up your ATM. If you're going to fill up your ATM every day, you could put $1,000 into it and you should have no worries about it running out before the next refill. If you're only able to fill it once a week, you're going to have to fill it with closer to like $5,000 every time to be safe. In conclusion, ATMs are a huge addition to a business because they can naturally attract customers. When a sign is placed outside showing that your business has an ATM, it gradually draws more people to your gas station, convenience store, or any other type of business. Overall, an ATM does many good things to a business. It helps boost customer traffic, provides extra revenue through ATM transaction fees, it helps build customer loyalty, and it increases on-premise spending by customers using the ATM. Thank you for watching our video on how to boost revenue in your business through operating an ATM. If you enjoyed this video, you can check out our website, howtoretail.com, and read through our many articles on things ranging from how to boost revenue in your business to how to limit theft in your business and much more. In the description, you can click the link to our in-depth article on boosting revenue in your business. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and if you got anything from this video, please like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton. Thanks for watching and see you soon.